friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Holly, and today I'm sharing with you a Ramey's grocery haul. So today I went and got some Kiwis, and that's a weekly item that I get every week. I still had a few, so I only needed to get a few more. Some lemons, some whole grain spaghetti, light brown sugar, and a Betty Crocker lemon cake mix. Some McCormick Italian mushroom spaghetti, and that is my husband grew up with this, so I still buy this for him. They still make it, so all you do is add some tomato paste to it and some water, and I think it's a tablespoon of butter. But he's been having that since he was a little boy. His mom used to always make those, and I just continue to make that for him. Some dill weed and some frosting, and that's just the creamy white. Some Baker's Joy, the Mexican 4 cheese, orange juice, still pretty high also in price, cafe mocha creamer, and some whole milk. Hamburger helper, I like to have that on hand just for quick meal, because during the week sometimes if I have to work late, that's just a time saver right there. Some marshmallows, some Aquafina water, this is a 24 pack, tomato paste for the spaghetti, and the Hormel chili no beans, and that's the small can. Also some chicken breast, chicken thighs, and those are boneless and skinless. Some hot dogs, some hot dog buns. We like the bunning when we can get that. Also, this I felt was a good price. This is spare ribs, but it's like a 2-pack. So I felt like that compared to what the others wanted for just one, it was $25. So I felt like that was a good price. Also, some ground beef. Of those, some cat food for my cat, butter, and that was a good deal. Those were, I think, $2.99 if I'm not mistaken, and I get the salted and unsalted whole grain bread. I don't think I mentioned that. Some green onions, they only had one left, so that's what I got. Some carrots. I like to use these Scotch-Brite Dobie sponges when I have to wash dishes by hand. Those work great, and I don't feel like they hold an odor or anything. And McCormick Pure Vanilla Extract, that's gone up in price. It was already expensive, but that's kind of high now. Garlic, some Cadbury eggs. Gotta have Cadbury eggs at this time of year. And some extra large regular eggs. Let's see, did I say paper towels? Some Bounty paper towels, Bounty napkins, some walnuts, some almonds, and my coffee. I have to have my coffee, and that's the chocolate beignet, the New Orleans roast. Those are really good. And if I'm not mistaken, I think that's it. So it's not a very big haul, but it's what I had to get for this week. And I already have some things I'm trying to get rid of in my freezer. But yeah, still have to buy groceries on a weekly basis. It's just the way it is. But I hope that everyone has a blessed day. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in seeing more videos like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That'll notify you when I post new videos. But as I said, I hope everyone has a blessed day, a blessed weekend. God bless y'all.